extreme kind of view for our nationalist thought. So I say, तो हम लोगों ने क्या देखा, HSR वो लोग अंदर चले गए, and thereafter Gandhi started, I said that, and then in between in the 1929 what has been happened in the Lahore at the bank of Ravi, he said that Pune Swaraj. He talked about Pune Swaraj, and the next year in 1930 they have celebrated what is in 26th January as an Independence Day, and it has been said that we'll get the independence also, and उसी को आज याद करके we have adopted our constitution on the 26th January, even after it has been formed in the 26th November 1949. Now, what is there? Gandhi is creating a platform, and in between they have called us for RTC. क्यों? Simon Commission ने अपने report लेके चला गया. Muddiman Committee, other reports are there. The points of what is it? Jinnah points are there. Also Nehru points are there. And then here it is Mr. सब लोगों की points थे वहाँ पे. And there is I said that first RTC took place, and in between Gandhi on the 6th April 1930 he started what? Dandi Yatra. 12th March, 6th April around 12th March he started. And then he moved from Sabarmati to Dandi. And why he moved so long? The reason behind why he moved? Yes, publicity. Let the more people to come, otherwise how can I break this law? Yes or not? And then why he was moving and walking on? So the reason behind, let the people to know every day it will be in the news, and the whole India will come to know about it. सोचो कितना smart बंदा था. He was knowing that how to call mass, and he has done well experiment at what? South Africa, and then चंपारण सत्याग्रह में भी बैठ गया. अरे आज नहीं आएंगे तो 4 दिन में तो आएंगे ही लोग. मैं भूखा हूँ. So the people will come. So, and I am fighting for them. So they have what is a well experiment, and all the experiment was successful. And यहाँ पर भी गए, तब तक lots of people come, and then on the 6th April he break the what? What is the law? And then from the 5th April and the 6th April there is a start of what? CDM. Understood? Civil Disobedience Movement. And it was going on, and the same year 1930 there is a first round table conference took place. Princely states are there. Mr. Ambedkar Sahab was there, and then Muslim League leaders were there, and सब लोग बैठे हुए थे, लेकिन जो main बंदा है वो नहीं बैठा हुआ था. The round table conference did not give them a kind of result. And then it was going on the next year 1931. You know that there is he called upon 5th March. And then 5th March 1931, Gandhi-Irwin Pact took place. Yes, and when the Gandhi-Irwin Pact took place, in that one, Gandhi ने ज़्यादा नहीं दिया. आप भी एक अच्छे leader बनोगे, and then you will think about the nation, you will not think about the people. Yes, people, so many people. अब उस समय उनकी एक theory थी कि I'll think about the nation, main concern. And the other side that यदि मैं देखूं, the now the people are also started liking what? Yes, tell me, who started liking? किसको पसंद करने लगे लोग? Bhagat Singh को, yes or not? Who started liking? Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh become the hero, and then hero can never make the nation something like this. Ideologies पे nation exist करता है. It does not depend upon a one person. And then Gandhi was giving ideology. Understood it? And then Gandhi said simple one minute, if you can think, then उसने बोला कि इन्होंने कुछ जोड़ नहीं दे रहे, मैं भी छोड़ देता हूँ. So Bhagat Singh के बारे में बोले, if you can think, no think. And then just after 18 days, 23rd March. लेकिन मैं भगत सिंह को क्रिटिसाइज नहीं कर रहा हूँ. He has a great love for your nation. आज मैं कुछ करता हूँ, मैं मरता हूँ. It doesn't mean like that कि I am not having a what love for my nation. I have a love for my nation. लेकिन एक समय एक और है और मैं हूँ. So who will be given importance? Who is thinking for the nation, and those who is thinking personally about the what feeling of nation. और वो he is spreading the what is a thought in the whole nation, and I am spreading to some extent, और वो भी थोड़ा सा गलत ढंग से लोगों तक जाएगा. तो लोग उसकी वजह से जो young है, young generation can get affected. This is the reason that we have seen. And then I say, ये second round table conference से पहले क्या हो गया? Gandhi Irwin Pact. And then Gandhi become the what? I said, first time sitting in front of a governor general or viceroy, and then everyone, what it is in the British Empire, in the British government in Europe, they have criticized it. And finally, Gandhi and the Congress get ready for the what? Second round table conference in the month of September. He has gone, but finally no result come out, and he returned back and he tried to start his second civil disobedience movement, but he was caught, put behind the jail and all. So many things are there. लेकिन इसी के basis पर I said that this RTC has given the white paper, Muddiwan committee, and then Simon Commission, and इसके basis पर we have got the Government of India Act 1935. Understood? So चीजें ऐसी हैं, आप इसको फिर कर लेंगे. Is it okay? बहुत सारी चीजें. इट इज लाइक एन टीचिंग ऑफ, आई सेड दैट. और यहाँ पर इन्होंने सेंट्रल लेवल पे डायरेक्टरी को ट्राई किया, क्लियर. और ट्राई क्या किया, वो जानते थे फेल होना है, क्लियर. एंड जो सोशियो रिलीजियस मूवमेंट से, लेकिन आज नहीं होगा, अभी होगा गवर्नर जनरल, क्लियर. क्योंकि हमें इंपॉर्टेंट गवर्नर जनरल दैट वी हैव टू डू. समझ में आ गया? आप पढ़कर कर सकते हैं. क्योंकि यहां पर मैं आई कांट एंटर आफ्टर 1919 में 1909 तक तो आ सकता हूं. 1919 इज फुल ऑफ व्हाट एनालिसिस. 1935 इज फुल ऑफ एनालिसिस, जो आपको मैं एक पिक्चर दिखाते जा रहा था, और उसमें क्या कई 100 चीजें मैं छोड़ते जा रहा था. तो मुझे भी एक कनेक्शन नहीं मिल रहा था कि मैं आपको कन्वे कर सकूं, क्लियर. क्योंकि आप तो सोच सकते हो कि मैं 1857 रिवोल्यूशन ओनली मैं 50 पेजेस में पढ़ाता हूं. So it is in a modern India, it is in a full of like this. क्लियर. So and ये बेस दे चुका हूँ कि आप लोगों को मजा आ चुका होगा कि कैसे मैंने 1773 से बताया. केवल आपको पेजेस को फ्लिप करते जाना, मोस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स. लेकिन इसको जितना आप लोग अपने से पढ़ा भी होगा, देन इट विल हेल्पफुल फॉर यू. एंड अनदर रीजन जो मैं लूंगा अभी, व्हाट गवर्नर जनरल, दैट इज जिसको मैं याद कराऊंगा टोटल. एंड देन विल टेक वॉरेन हेस्टिंग, Warren Hastings, Cornwallis, and then Sir John Soto ऐसी बेवकूफ था. And then Wellesley, William Bentinck and Dalhousie. उसके बाद हम लोग आज की क्लास यहाँ पर यही अभी बहुत टाइम लेगा. This section will take too much time. इसी में so many things will see that some kind of what sub-regulating act, the acts will also come, things will also come. एंड उसके बाद हम लोग देखेंगे क्या है आपका. कल होगा आपका सोशियो रिलीजियस रिफॉर्म, ट्राइबल रिफॉर्म्स, ट्राइबल मूवमेंट्स, क्रिश्चियन मूवमेंट्स एंड ऑल. क्योंकि इसमें कहीं भी जाना बहुत ये रहता है.